Hello, in this video I want to show you how to equip and unequip your characters with different items in Warhammer 40,000 Mechanicus. And to do this, first we'll need to open our cohort, where when you leave a mission, because you usually start in this mode. So go to the cohort. Here you can find all your characters. So let's go with this one, for example. And right here you can see that it's unequipped. There's no items equipped on him. So we need to choose which are gonna be equipped. And here's a power axe, which we're gonna equip right here. And there's also phosphor blast pistol, which we can equip right here, but it can't work with the axe because it already takes one item slot. So you need to carefully decide which weapons or upgrades you're gonna use on your characters. Of course, you can add more equipment slots to your characters by upgrading them with Discipline's upgrade. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.